Yeah, we are. We're guessing. It's like an experiment. It's fine. It's fine. It'll go right, you know? It'll work, you know? Like, it'll work. Trust the process. Trust the process, you know? If I can get the bag to open. I don't like how that smells either. Nope, this is not going well. Nope, this is not going well, guys. Is that food? Yeah, it's supposed to be food, but like, I don't like it, so. Aw, wait, you sent a chatting popcorn? Thank you, rich boy. I know this isn't like your regularly scheduled live, but like I had to try this with you guys. It's supposed to be, but like, let's see if this freaking works, I guess. And then I'm supposed to like move it down to the bottom like this, and like, I don't even know. I don't even know. This is difficult. This is way too difficult for me. And I'm supposed to pierce the bottom, and then I'm supposed to like squeeze. Okay, wait. Wait, why is it not coming out right? This is supposed to work, and it's like, okay, I guess it's working. Hey, at least this part is working. Let's go, I did it. I did this part right, guys, let's go. Look how entertaining I can be. Yeah, I did this part right. Let's go. I feel so accomplished. This looks terrible. I'm not eating this. Why is it not coming out? Come out. Watch, it's gonna like explode all over me. Why is it not coming out now? Okay, well it's working, so that's cool. It looks like ramen, I'll give it that. Not any sort of ramen I would ever eat, but you know, to each their own, I guess. Yay! I did it.